Okay, Team Steam Star, we're cleaning some commercial carpet here today. Coming out of a bathroom, we've got a pivot point here, heavy soil, you can see it there. Let me drill in on that. We'll give it the old white glove test here and see what type of soil level we're dealing with. And take that off there. And you can see all the soil coming off on that tap. There's our crack crew getting at it. This entry point's coming off a shop area. We got some very, very heavy soil load. Hasn't been cleaned in a little while. So we're gonna see how we can do here. Okay, going away. Getting after it right there. Getting that clean. Look at that steam coming off there. So we can go quite a ways. A lot of people ask me, can your truck reach all this? As you can see, we've got some high-powered equipment that allows us to clean quite a ways into facilities like this. And we'll just follow it all the way out, you can see. There we are. We're gonna get a little noisy here. Team Steam Star. Let's see how we're doing here. Look at that temperature right there. That's hot. Get it clean and healthy.